Move.
Hey! 1593, I've got one running. To the back, north to the property.
On November 26, 2025, a Florida officer responded to a reported burglary. The following analysis addresses the applicable constitutional and statutory issues.
Do you live here?
Yeah. No, well, not necessarily. I just I'm like a groundskeeper, more or less. I just maintain the area here,
You got keys to the house and everything?
and I keep f***ing everything up right now, and
Okay.
that's my problem
But
right now.
we, like a homeowner called and said that nobody's supposed to be here.
Oh, I was just, like I said, I'm just a groundskeeper. I saw the keys. I wanted to check, like.
Do you have ID on you?
Huh?
ID?
No.
What's your name?
Mikey.
The full name?
Mikey.
Michael what?
Jankens. Mike Jankens.
What's your last name, buddy?
Jankens.
Where did you find those keys?
We give them in the back right here.
Okay.
Oh, I just want them. I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Michael,
Yep. Jankens.
what's your middle name?
It's Tremaine. T-R.
Okay, T is good. And the last name?
Jankens.
Spell it for me.
Jankens.
And date of birth?
11/29/1990.
1990. Okay. Hey, do me a favor. Come with me.
Can I put the keys back?
No, just don't worry about the keys. Just do me a favor and stay right here, okay? Hey, Michael, do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
You don't mind if I just pat you down?
No, go ahead, man. I got
Okay.
my sweat red.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'm good, man. I'm fine.
Okay. Cool deal. Okay. So, you're the groundskeeper, right?
Yeah.
So, when they called you, you don't know the password?
No, I don't deal with none of that stuff, man. I just so happen to be over here. And, like, yeah, I'm not even the regular groundskeeper. The guy who I know, he asked me to come over here and check up on it for him. And he asked me to grab something for him, and then he said the keys would be in a certain spot, and I came over here to do that. And I don't know about it.
1552.
Gotcha. You live in Putnam?
Yeah, I'm not from around here. I'm not from around here.
Do you have a Florida driver license?
Yeah.
Okay. And you say Michael,
Yeah.
11/29/1990? 77.
With the officer distracted, the mystery man makes his move.
Hey! 1593, I've got one running. To the back, north to the property. Bravo Mike, red t-shirt. Hey, I'm gonna shoot you, buddy. Hey, we're gonna send the dog. Hey, we're gonna send the dog. I'm in the wooded area. around the house. I'm going back to my patrol vehicle. I lost visual. Last time I saw him was the wooded area behind the house of the signal lady that we got last week. I'm right by my vehicle at 302. As I pulled in, he was tampering with like a back door.
Yep.
So I was like, hey, what's up, man? He was like, hey, what's up? He was holding this like a cup full of keys. He was like, oh, I'm a property manager, like doing a maintenance in here. I was like, I was like,
what was you wearing?
Bravo Mike, super red t-shirt, black pants.
Okay. Older, younger?
Around 30s.
Any facial hair?
No.
All right, you went straight north?
Yeah, there's a pad.
Red t-shirt, mid-30s,
Black pants.
That's it.
black pants.
There's like a pad. He went through that pad. Well, he went inside because the security company said that he opened the door is locked. Yeah, see, that door is open.
15, 14, just for signal 14, we got an 85 to the rear.
We don't have a dog.
We don't have a dog. Where'd you chase? Maybe we can pick
Down
up
the
on the
trail to the
trail.
right.
Yeah, there's like a path down there.
Y'all see anybody come blasting through the woods over here? No? We ain't seen nobody. 10-4.
14 to 1593. Can you come through that trail we just went through and head over to us?
10-4 coming right now.
There's one sitting over there with red. He's got bright red shirt, but he's got bright red shorts on and slide.
Okay, no.
He's not sweating either.
That's not him sitting down, is it?
No, that's not him.
Do you have any other features that were recognizable?
Was it
Not really.
blue pants or black
Chain.
pants? So you lost him in the trail, right?
So I lost him around that curve. So behind that, there's like a deep ditch, and he was in that ditch. When I spotted him in that ditch, he was already like a 1/3 down. So I went around, and I saw him bailing through a fucking woods.
Okay, so he headed east.
Yeah. There's a box full of keys. So I was like, hey, what you doing here? He was like, oh, I'm the housekeeper of this property. I was like, okay, so why you couldn't provide the password when they call? He was like, oh, because actually it's my friend. He asked me for a favor. Give me a name. Ran his name. Couldn't find him. The next thing I see, he bailed. And there's a trail down there. And after that trail, he did like a circle and went to that ditch. I went behind that tree, and he was like a 1/3 of like a really deep ditch. So I went around, and by that time he like a bailed into the woods.
Going that way?
So basically, yeah.
Was the door already open? Yeah, it was. I didn't have the keys on. I left my small again.
So you see the half of the lock is here, and the other half is. What about this? That's
That shouldn't have been. Yeah, they broke that.
okay, and that trimmed panel.
Right.
Okay. All right.
Yep. Somebody broke in there with that, so I guess I need to turn the alarm off. Do that. Do this one out of there. This one. Come on. Work with me. Work fine. Come on. This lock right here?
Yeah. Roughly.
$100.
$100. What about window?
One on there, I would say about $200 there, because you got to get the one, and they got to come out and replace it. All that. I say $200 there.
2 or 3, yeah.
These 2 or 3.
Yeah, I paid like 3 for my window.
Because it's not glass.
Yeah.
It's glass. Huh?
Do you have idea?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. And the are you able to get the owner's information?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Well, you need that owner's information?
Yeah. That'll be great.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
That's your wife, right? Your wife is the owner?
Right, that's correct.
Do you have her ID number or anything?
Hey, how you doing? All right. Guess what? Broke in the house again. Yep. So I need your ID. Could you I guess what is it? It's the ID number.
Yeah, if she can just give us the ID number.
Your driving license number.
He was close to him, so hopefully here soon we get his picture and we can identify him.
Okay, good.
Yeah. I was talking to him like this.
Oh, you kidding me?
Yeah, because he was telling me that he's doing like maintenance work around here.
No.
Especially when I saw the bucket full of keys, I was like, oh. Usually those people, like a burglars, they don't have like keys.
Right.
He got a full set of keys, so I was like, oh.
Yeah, that's strange. How did he look? What did he? He didn't have on a white T-shirt, did he?
No, he got the red T-shirt, black shirts, and.
Okay.
Well, if we ID him, we'll get you a call, Mr. Calhoun.
Okay, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, we got
Thank
you.
you so much.
We'll let you know.
Okay, man. Hey, man, and y'all have a good Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hopefully it's better.
I sure hope.
The initial contact qualified as a consensual encounter under Florida versus Bostick, 1991. The subject retained the right to refuse questions and leave. The homeowner's report, combined with the subject's failure to provide a security password, established reasonable suspicion under Terry versus Ohio, 1968. This threshold authorized the officer to extend investigative questioning beyond the scope of a purely consensual encounter. Providing a false name and date of birth may independently violate Florida statutes. Section 901.36, furnishing false identification to a law enforcement officer. When the subject fled, Illinois versus Wardlow, decided in 2000, was triggered, fundamentally altering the legal analysis. The Supreme Court held that unprovoked flight from police constitutes reasonable suspicion sufficient to justify pursuit and seizure. Simultaneously, Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, applied. A first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in jail. The verbal threat, "I'm gonna shoot you," warrants serious analysis under Tennessee versus Garner, decided in 1985. Deadly force may not be used against an unarmed fleeing suspect, unless there is a significant threat of serious physical harm to officers or others. In an unarmed property crime context, a shooting threat may exceed the permissible limits of the use of force continuum. Physical evidence, the broken lock and shattered window, triggered Florida statutes. Section 810.02, on burglary of a dwelling. Burglary of an unoccupied dwelling is a second-degree felony, carrying up to 15 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. Section 806.13 on criminal mischief adds a first-degree misdemeanor to the charging instrument.
Hey, watch out. Hi, ma'am. We're looking for Solomon. Where's Solomon at?
Solomon?
Yeah.
I don't know a Solomon.
No.
That's him.
A Solomon? Oh, his name not Solomon.
What's his name? Marquell?
Can we talk to him?
Yeah, his name Marquell. His name not Solomon.
Yeah, I don't know no Solomon.
That's him right here.
You definitely not him.
You sure?
Yeah, I got my ID on me.
Oh, let me see.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
You see that tattoo? Sweet. I'm trying to get my first one.
Yeah,
You got it either?
Hey, buddy, put your hands behind your back.
Yep. Put your hands on your back.
For that incident the other day when you ran from me.
You quote Jankens?
Yep.
When he ran from you? What do you mean when he ran from you? He wasn't here.
Well,
1382, 110.
Yeah, he can't even run.
We got everything on camera.
So what's going to happen?
So he got felony charge for a burglary and few misdemeanors.
So when will he be out?
He's got to see the judge first.
Yeah.
He'll get an opportunity to make a phone call. Yeah, Mom, you got some shoes for him?
Oh, wow. What do you mean?
Told you I was saying.
I could call his boss man to tell you.
Yeah.
Where's the phone?
It should be on the bed. I don't know who that is, to be honest.
Someone is his brother?
No.
That should be sitting right there on the floor.
You said you didn't run from him?
Huh?
You said you didn't run from him? That's not you?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We went look at the body cam. We're like,
Just want to make sure. Yeah.
My shoes on the floor in the room. In the room, Ma.
Damn!
what? Talk about the footage.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that'll work.
Where the phone?
My phone should be on the bed.
man.
You got nothing you're not supposed to have, are you?
No.
Do you?
No.
They're gonna check you again. They're gonna charge you again at the
Yeah,
gym.
nothing. Check my,
Where's your ID?
what's the name?
Yeah, where's your ID? Who got your ID?
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I mean, so what's gonna happen? I mean, like.
So he's
like,
going to jail for a burglary
or-
that happened a few days ago. So he's got to see the judge. The judge is gonna, whatever the judge sets at first appearance, then they'll go from there. But he'll get a chance to make a call when he gets to the jail.
You on foot by car?
I ran on foot.
Yeah, because we ain't never been in no trouble or nothing. We're not even from here, you know what I'm saying? And we already going through eviction with the landlord. He don't want to fix up nothing or nothing, you know what I'm saying?
He probably wouldn't have been in a lot of trouble to begin with, but he ran.
But he ran.
What you gonna get with me like that, man?
To be fair, he was on me. He was on me, but I cut through the bushes. I cut through the woods.
Oh, it's like, dude, it's on body cam.
He's like, that wasn't me. I was like, okay.
But it's not this serious, is it? I mean, like, he'll be out in a couple of days or what?
It's a burglary. So
I mean, what's a burglary? Like,
it's a felony charge. So
It is a felony.
I mean, like, how many days? Like a month, 2 months, a year?
that's up to what the judge sets.
And then I came out behind this cruiser.
Now, if you're in reality, you really want to patrol me.
I don't even know. I really don't know who that is.
Okay,
She might set a
you
bomb.
remember the phone number to call me, right?
Huh? I'll call my phone, Mom. I'll call my phone.
He said he'll call his phone.
Let me read your rights first. So you have the right to remain silent, and I think you say canon will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand each of these rights and have that I explained to you?
Yep.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
No, we're good.
No? Okay.
You're good.
Cool.
That's it.
Following arrest, the officer complied with Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, by advising the subject of his rights prior to interrogation. The response, "No, we're good," satisfied the clear and unambiguous invocation standard established in Burguis versus Tompkins, 2010. From that moment, all interrogation must cease as required by the Fifth Amendment. Overall assessment. The officer earns a B professional contact and investigation, with deficits in situational awareness. The subject earns a D, a cascade of poor legal decisions transformed an avoidable encounter into 3 criminal charges. The agency earns a B+ for effective radio coordination and methodical follow-up investigation.
You Solomon is?
Yeah.
Solomon
That's
what I'm looking for.
Where's Solomon?
you were asking
This is the dude that ran from us on the 21 that we were.
Yeah.
I said,
Yeah, you almost said that wasn't him.
that was a big
Yeah,
misunderstanding.
that was
That was my fault, bro. I thought we were looking for Solomon.
I looked at him and then I
I thought you had a
I was
secret
like,
spot for Solomon.
no, he's out there. Philip, bro, you're getting everyone confused.
Lesson 1. The Fifth Amendment right to silence is the citizen's strongest protection. Invoke it early, and never lie to officers. Lesson 2. Flight does not create freedom under Illinois versus Wardlow. It creates immediate grounds for prosecution. Lesson 3. For officers, maintaining situational awareness and a reactionary gap matters more than timely note-taking. Lesson 4. Miranda advisements must include all 4 standard elements. Omissions can compromise admissibility at trial. A defendant is presumed innocent until proven guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction. An inviolable constitutional principle. Thank you for watching. See you in the next legal analysis.